Is Cristiano Ronaldo looking a bit changed? Well, it's because of an amazing face swap site called Akool. Watch this video till end, and you'll get to know how easy it is to do this. Like the video and subscribe to this channel for such amazing videos coming up. Hi, I'm Chris, and today you'll see how to swap your face with Akool. Open the app by the link in the description, or simply search it and click it on AI Face Swap Tool. Sign into the account and choose the file you want to swap. You can also use demo for this. Now, upload the face you want to swap to the chosen file. After analyzing and downloading, your video will move to My Library. Here you go. You get the same file with different face. Isn't that cool? Like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.